Hello friends, welcome to Gokul Tech. Today, day 5 Power BI DAX functions. So previously we have discussed 4 days all about Power BI DAX functions the same, and in that we have completed date functions. See, we have started discussing about 8 different popular function types. In that first we have completed date and time functions. In date and time functions we have completed what is date value column, what is the difference between date and date value column, and so on. How to create a calendar, what is the difference between calendar and calendar auto function also. If you missed those videos, we have provided the link for the playlist in description box. Please do watch and share to your friends. Now in this second function is all about information functions, which means it will give you the complete information about the data whichever you are available in your data set. In that we have different types of almost 10 different types of functions are available, which is contains, custom data, lookup value, username, is blank, is error, is even, is logical, is number, is odd. So these are the 10 different functions, and we have more than this as well. Today we are going to discuss about only first one, which is about contains function of the information functions DAX function. So what this contains will do and how it will work, everything we are going to see in this video. If you are watching our channel first time, please do watch and please do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get the videos notified to you as soon as we have uploading. Let's start with the video of contains function. You can see yesterday we have shown about what is how to create a calendar and calendar auto function. Okay, so in our data sets, which is on the sales order data set, you can see there is east, central, west, and there is a different types of data set, which is east, central, sorry, west. So only we have three. Mostly this contains function will work only based on the text values. Going forward, for all the functions we are going to create measures. See, initially we used to create a column. Now we are going to start creating the measures. Click on right click on new measure. You can see measure created. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to name it as contains underscore. Why? Because this is like if we are giving the same name as the function, we are getting in some errors. So that to avoid that, we are giving the underscore as a different one. So now I'm giving contains. So the syntax for the contain is table. You have to give the table name and column and value one. It will give you as a result. It will give you result as yes or no, which is a boolean function. Either you can say it as 0 or 1 or yes or no, true or false value. Okay, so now what I'm going to select is I'm going to select the sales order table. In my sales orders table, right, I'm going to select the column of region. Okay, if I just need to check my region of east is available. I'm closing the bracket, I'm hitting enter. Okay, so now the new measure is created. I'm just going to a visual pane, which is creation pane. I'm creating a new sheet, just saying as contains sheet. Okay, here I'm creating a table. It will contain the value of region and representative and my value as total unit cost or something. Okay, so now you can see everything is added over here. Let's put the ref as here. Okay, remove the ref, or else I'll create this particular table so that I can able to add all the values. East, west, central, yeah, and item also. So now I'm going to include this measure contains into this table, and I can see there is a value of false of central, and you can see for true is available only for the east, as since we have given the formula as east. Suppose if I change the value to central, right? You can see the central, whatever the values which you have related to central region, it is coming as true and remaining comes as false. So this is how contains function works. Hope you have understood this video. If you have any doubt in this video, please post your query on the comment box. We will try to respond to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching Gokul Tech. See you in the next exciting video. Until then, bye from Gokul Tech. Jai Hind.